Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Apple Calculator and choosing Standard or Scientific, depending on precision you want. Type the numerator as digits, then press the division key. This tells the app you are building a fraction. Next, enter the denominator digits. This sets the bottom of the fraction. Once done, pause and confirm both numbers look correct on the screen, because the calculator evaluates left to right. Make sure to use the scientific layout for larger or negative values, then press equals when ready. Once you press equals, the app displays the decimal equivalent. That's how you convert a fraction to a decimal. If you need the reciprocal, press 1/x. This flips numerator and denominator. To handle mixed numbers, enter the integer, press plus, then type numerator divided by denominator, and press equals. This combines integer plus fractional part accurately. For recurring decimals or high precision, switch to scientific mode, because it offers more digits and clearer notation. This helps you detect rounding or repeating patterns. To finish, verify the displayed result, and if you need the original fraction again, clear with C or AC and re-enter the numerator divided by denominator without pressing other operators. If you see unexpected rounding, make sure you are in scientific mode or repeat the calculation with more digits. The app limits displayed precision, so that changes what you read. If something goes wrong, avoid pressing equals too early. Re-enter numbers slowly, because keeping numerator and denominator separate prevents accidental operator chaining and wrong results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.